everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. I have a couple of diamond paintings in here, but I'm only going to unbox one of them, and I'm not sure which one's going to be the one that comes up first because they're wrapped around each other. So I will give you the information about it after I pull it out of the box. The company for these diamond paintings is Diamond Art Gifts. And I've already opened it. Now if I can remember where, there it is. Okay. And it is square. I know what bag of drills is first. I just don't know which canvas is going to come first. So let me pull it out and take a look. All right. So let's see. Okay, the one on top is called the Country Dock. I don't know if that's what they named it or if that's what I named it, but this is what it looks like. Alright, so this one's actually a round drill. The other one that could have been the one I showed you is square. So here are the drills for that. Here is, I think, yep, that's just one of the toolkits. So I'll just show you what comes in this toolkit. Let's see, they give you 2 drill pins. 2. And they give you a white MOSFA tray. See, it says MOSFA on it. That means they're a little bit bigger than the other white trays. I got 2 large pieces of pink wax. Let's see what else. We get a bunch of little baggies and a pen grip, otherwise known as a squishy. And let's see, got some multi-placers here. These are the old style, but we have a 3, 6, and a 9. All 3 sizes there. And that would be it for the toolkit. Now, I'm going to open up this canvas and take a look. Might take me a minute because it's taped together. Here, this is for you. All right. So, alright, so let's get this tape off. I do see that the cover, they've split the cover into 2 different pieces. I don't really like that, but if you've got someone placing these on that knows what they're doing, you don't have to worry about overlapping. I don't see any overlapping so far, so let's hope. Alright, so this top one, it's 50 by 50, and it does say that right there. And let me pull it off. If you want to see what this other one is, just keep watching and I'll have that unboxed within the days to come. Alright, let's see here. Let me move this stuff out of the way. Hold that for me. Thanks. Alright, so here it is. Now you can see how it's kind of curled. If you don't know how to get those curls out or to flatten the canvas like this, I'll show you. But it's pretty, you know, curled, as you can see. So if you want to get those curls out, which you're going to want to, you pull back the cover and then you're going to replace it right back over the top. This one has, let's see, the number of colors is not numbered on here, so I will look at it off of the inventory sheet. Alright, so let's pull this back and see what we got here. Wow, That is confetti central. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's see up close what the drill field looks like. Nice and clear, those symbols. I'm not seeing any bubbles either. So we can see it at an angle. You can kind of tell if there's bubbles. Let's see if I can get the angle. There we go. See, look how shiny that is. You can tell if there's bubbles, and I don't see bubbles at all on there. So that is really good. All right. Let's replace the cover here. And then we'll pull it back on this side to flatten the other half. But yeah, this is extremely, has a lot of confetti. Look at that. So if you like confetti, it's a really pretty image though. And so now you can see here the bottom is nice and flat. So we're going to get the top half and do the same thing to it. The canvas is the typical, I'm not sure what the material is, but I think it's plastic. But it's a really common material. And there are DMC codes on the key. And there is a key on both the top left and the bottom right, which is always nice for those that need to reference back to the key all the time. It's nice to have it on both sides. Still no bubbles. Looks really good, in really good shape. All right, and lastly we'll get this side and it'll be completely flattened. Sometimes when you can't pill it up, it just means that you're probably going to get the adhesive pulled up with it. So you just press on it, and the press on it, rub it, it'll press it back down. So there we go. So there's a little bit of color blocking right in there in the sky area, but there we go. We can see here with the way it's shining, there's just a tiny bubble right here at the top. And you can see that when I tilt it. See right there? So, and that can easily be fixed with an X-Acto knife. You can cut it and then press it down, or if you got fingernails like I do, that fixed it. Yep, and so it's good to go. So good canvas in great condition. 50 by 50. I'm going to measure to see if that is the canvas size or if that is the drill field. And it's 50 centimeters, so let's go this way. Okay, so it is, it's kind of hard to see where the edge of the image is. It's about right there. So it's a little more than 50. It's about 50 and a half centimeters. Well, I moved it. So now it's just under 50 centimeters. So it is the drilling area, not the canvas size that they have given their measurements. And this one is exactly 50. So there we have it with the country dock. Really pretty. And this image goes for $42.95 at Diamond Art Gift. I think it's diamondartgifts.com. All right, so let's look at these drills. See if they're all here and look at the quality of them. Okay, where does it open? Oh, come on. It starts somewhere. There we go. So I was really happy that because it was a split cover, that it wasn't overlapped. Because if they overlap, it causes so much havoc on your drill field. Alright. So it has 43 colors. And it does look like they've double checked the inventory. And you can see there's red check marks and there's some green check marks there. So all the drill bags should be here. But this is so much prettier with the colors on there. You can see with that sunrise and then the lightning in the background. That is so cool looking. Really pretty. Tesslynn's back there making giggly noises. All right, so let's count the drills, and you can see what colors. Well, you can see the colors here. There's a lot of yellows and greens and browns, but black, let's see, 310, you're gonna have only 11 bags, but that is the biggest amount of colors in this entire thing. So I'll be right back after I count these up and let you know if they're all here. Alright folks, everything is here. All the diamonds are accounted for. And like I said, it is very green, yellow, orange colors. Darker colors because of the, it's a landscape. You've got your sky, so you've got some blues here, really pretty blue colors, and then you've got the darker blues for some of the water, but most of the water is green because it's a reflection from the trees. And then you've got the browns because you've got your dock that takes up the center of the screen of the image. So it's got appropriate colors for the image. I mean, lots of yellows here for the sky where the sun is. And yeah, I think it's a really pretty image. Even got some bright greens here. Love that, like a neon green color, 704, and then 907. So you've got all sorts of different colors going on in here. Not quite, the rainbow, but it's got the earthy tone colors appropriate for the image. And the drill field was clear. It was bubble free, except for the one little one that I took care of there. Your symbols are pretty easy to tell what they are. You've got you've got a lot of letters and a couple numbers and then a bunch of different symbols. So here you can see what they are. And so you shouldn't have a really hard time at all telling one from the other. They don't have any symbols that look like the others, like a 0 and then an O. So all in all, I believe this is a really beautiful kit, and I'll leave you a link for it down below in the description box. Let me know if you've ordered from Diamond Art Gifts before, and let me know what your experience was with them. I am curious to hear. And in the meantime, if you haven't, just stop in and let me know what you think of this kit and this company, and just say hi if you have nothing else to say. So leave those comments down in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up on the way down, and subscribe if you haven't, and that way you can be notified of new videos that I post like this one. So I will see you guys in my next video. So have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.